A criminal charge meant to keep people from interfering with police has ballooned in number in Montgomery County. KPRC2 found interference with public duties cases have increased nearly 700% since 2017, and more than 60% of those cases last year were dismissed. Tonight, KPRC2's Jaewon Jung takes us inside one of those cases. It involves a man who pulled out his phone to record his sister's arrest and ended up in handcuffs himself.
Get away from me. Get away from me right now. Get away from me.
Outside this Conroe home, body cam video shows Ismail Khan recording as a Montgomery County Sheriff's deputy arrests his sister. Seconds later,
put your hands behind your back now.
Ismail is also on the ground in handcuffs. According to his arrest report, the deputy says he spotted a car involved with a missing persons report. Ismail says his sister had been reported missing a few days prior. The deputy wrote she failed to stop for about 2 miles before pulling into her driveway. Ismail wasn't in the car. He tells me he came out of the house after his sister called him. What made you want to film that arrest?
I just wanted to get it on camera of what was going on because I saw that he pointed his gun at my sister.
The arrest report states Khan continued to approach after being told to move away. Body cam later captured this exchange.
You're under arrest.
For what?
Interfering with public duties.
By taking a video?
Yes.
He certainly had a right to film.
Former Montgomery County prosecutor and now criminal defense attorney Nathan Alsbrook reviewed the video. While he says simply filming the encounter isn't a crime, he understands the deputy's perspective.
This officer is outnumbered. He's in a situation where he doesn't know if these people could be threatening.
Ismail was charged with interference with public duties and resisting arrest. Both were dropped last October, but his case is part of a much bigger trend. Records I obtained from the district attorney's office showed there were 29 interference cases filed in 2017. That number skyrocketed to more than 200 in 2025. That's a nearly 700% increase, and more than 60% of those cases last year were dismissed. In fact, the DA's office sent guidance to local law enforcement on this very charge in 2021. The guidance states citizens are generally free to record police encounters, and if someone is charged with interference, officers should be able to explain what that person actually did to interrupt their work. I asked the DA's office about the sharp increase in these cases and why so many are later dismissed. You can read their full response on our website, click2houston.com. In Conroe, Jaewon Jung, KPRC 2 News.